So this is a boba tea, which is a strawberry, and the next one is blueberry. So yes. So Ayush, can you take a sip of it and tell us how it tastes? Or yeah, let's just take a sip and then it's back to you, Ayush. So just sip as in take a sip like this, Chiku. Come, sweetheart, take. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Anviku, can I take a sip? Little sip.
Didn't I tell
Okay.
you?
Okay.
See, just try this. How's it?
Oh, blueberry is better. Yeah, but I have not tasted this one.
Strawberry is different. Strawberry is different.
No, blueberry is better.
Can you just take a sip?
Oh, so this is good. Ayush, did you taste that? Taste that? Anviku, you'd let him taste. Yeah.
Taking out the ice. Someone is taking out the ice.
Yes, yes. Okay, Ayush, you'd want to take, yeah. So much of confusion. Yeah. Can we pour some into that other glass? Yeah.
Which one do you want?
I want little bit of the blueberry. Which one? Okay, bus. More than.